Aloe vera gel is a clear, jelly-like substance made from the inner flesh of the aloe vera plant leaf. Aloe vera gel is 98% water, but it also contains vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, and other active compounds. While many commercial products contain aloe vera gel, you can also get the gel directly from the plant. Aloe vera gel has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's been used to treat burns, wounds, and skin conditions like eczema. Aloe vera gel is also said to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. These properties make aloe vera gel a popular ingredient in many skincare and hair care products. So, what are the benefits of aloe vera for hair? Aloe vera can help to soothe the scalp. If you have a dry, itchy, or inflamed scalp, aloe vera gel can help to relieve the irritation. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera gel can help to reduce scalp inflammation. The gel can also help to balance the scalp's pH, reducing dandruff's occurrence. Aloe vera can help to moisturize the hair. If your hair is dry, brittle, or damaged, aloe vera gel can help to moisturize and repair it. The gel can help to seal in moisture and protect the hair from further damage. Aloe vera can help to promote hair growth. There is some evidence to suggest that aloe vera gel can help to promote hair growth. One study found that aloe vera gel increased the number of follicles in rats. Another study found that aloe vera gel increased the thickness of the hair shaft in humans. More research is needed to confirm these findings, but aloe vera gel may be a promising treatment for hair loss. Aloe vera can help to prevent dandruff. Dandruff is a common scalp condition that can cause dryness, itchiness, and flaking. Aloe vera gel can help to soothe the scalp and reduce dandruff. Aloe vera can help to protect the hair from damage. Aloe vera gel can help to protect the hair from damage caused by heat styling, UV radiation, and chemical treatments. The gel can also help to repair the damage that has already been done. If you're looking for a natural way to improve the health of your hair, consider adding aloe vera gel to your shampoo. Write down the ingredients of this recipe. 2 aloe vera leaves, use more if you want more shampoo. 1.7 ounces water. 1 tablespoon olive oil, you can replace it with any other vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons coconut milk. Directions: cut the aloe leaves and remove the gel with a spoon. Put it in a blender with some water. Add the olive oil and coconut milk. Put the mixture into your preferred shampoo bottle. Once your usual shampoo reaches about half of its content, or once the bottle has space enough for the aloe mixture, shake it well to mix the aloe and the shampoo. You can apply it once or twice a week. Since it is homemade, the best way of keeping your shampoo is by storing it in the fridge. Besides that, remember that the results aren't immediate. You need to create a routine of care to ensure all the benefits of this shampoo. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.